Hobbii Unicorn is a lovely wool yarn in gorgeous shades. We found it at an extremely talented yarn dyer in Istanbul, and after almost 3 decades of experience in the yarn industry, she's chosen to set out on her own with hand dyed yarns. We were blown away by the beautiful colors, which is why she now manufactures Unicorn exclusively for us. Each hank of Hobbii Unicorn is unique, and it enables the most beautiful interplay of colors in the yarn, which consists of a mixture of exquisite merino wool and polyamide. This means that Unicorn is durable enough for socks, but the wonderful shades make it an obvious choice for unique shawls, sweaters, or maybe even a funky vest. You can try pairing Unicorn with maybe a thin strand of silk mohair to create a fluffy dream in the loveliest hues.